Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to this brand video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create your Netflix account on your iPhone and Android phone. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, let me tell you that you can create your Netflix account by using this Netflix app and by using any other browser like I am using here Google Chrome. So after opening your any browser, you have to search here for the netflix.com. Yep, here it is. So search for this, and then here what you have to do is just give your email address, and then after that tap here on get started, and now here give your Netflix account password. And after that what you have to do is just tap here on next, and now scroll it down here and again tap here on next, and from here you have to select the premium, basic or standard plan, so you can choose anyone. So after that what you have to do is just tap here on next, and here are two payments methods: credit or debit card or add to mobile bills. So you can anyone, so I am choosing add to mobile bills, and then here you have to enter your phone number, and then check here I agree, and then tap here on send code, and a code will be sent to this number. So what you have to do is just here enter the code which was sent to this number. So I'm entering that one, and then tap here on start membership, and your account will be created. So that's it guys for today's video. Thanks for watching.